The moment it was released, the Telluride earned the title of one of the best mid-size SUVs around, and now several years later, it's time to raise the bar even higher. The new generation is on the way, and it's getting closer to perfection than anything else in the segment. Stay with us and check out 7 reasons why every other brand should fear the 2026 Kia Telluride. Number 7. No polarizing exterior anymore. One area where competitors thought they had an advantage over the current Telluride was styling preferences. While many loved the bold, boxy design, others found it too aggressive or truck-like for their tastes. The 2026 model is eliminating that concern entirely with a sophisticated exterior that maintains the Telluride's commanding presence while adding unprecedented elegance. Drawing inspiration from both the existing design and Kia's futuristic EV9, the new Telluride features a more dramatic front end with a wider, more prominent grille and distinctive vertical LED lighting elements that create an unmistakable signature. The overall profile maintains the purposeful shape that made the original such a hit, but with cleaner lines and more sophisticated detailing that appeals to a broader audience. The lighting technology alone is going to make competitors scramble to catch up. Based on Kia's latest design language, the new generation features C-shaped headlights up front and a full-width light bar connecting the taillights at the rear, similar to what's found on the EV9. These lighting elements make the 2026 Telluride instantly recognizable day or night, while giving it a more technologically advanced appearance than anything currently in the segment. What's particularly brilliant about this design approach is how it manages to look both rugged and refined simultaneously. The flatter roof and more upright front end maintain the capability-focused character that buyers love, while the angular rear quarter window and sophisticated detailing add an upscale aesthetic that rivals luxury SUVs. This design versatility is going to expand the Telluride's appeal significantly, attracting buyers who might have previously dismissed it as too bold or unconventional. Number 6. More luxurious than ever. The interior transformation is where the 2026 Telluride truly threatens premium brands. Material quality is taking a significant step forward with more soft touch surfaces, genuine leather and upper trims, and improved fit and finish throughout. But the improvements go beyond aesthetics. Comfort features are reaching new heights with enhanced seat designs, reduced noise levels, and thoughtful details like dual wireless charging pads and advanced ambient lighting that transforms the cabin atmosphere. The attention to detail is what's going to shock luxury brand owners. Features like 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage functions, heated and ventilated second-row captain's chairs, and tri-zone climate control create an environment that feels genuinely premium. The new air filtration system can remove 99.9% of airborne particles and viruses, a feature that would have seemed like science fiction just a few years ago but is now standard in the Telluride. What makes this luxury upgrade particularly threatening to competitors is the pricing strategy. While luxury brands are charging premium prices for basic features, Kia is delivering near-luxury experiences at mainstream prices. This approach is going to force traditional premium manufacturers to either justify their pricing or reduce their margins. Neither option is appealing from a business perspective. Number 5. New tech and safety features. The technology gap between the current and upcoming Telluride is one more reason competitors should be concerned. The 2026 model will feature Kia's latest CCNC infotainment system displayed on a significantly larger touchscreen, offering faster responses, sharper graphics, and more intuitive controls. This system represents a generational leap forward from most current competitors, which are beginning to show their age in terms of user interface and functionality. Digital displays dominate the dashboard with approximately 30 inches of screen real estate divided between the instrument cluster and main infotainment display. Unlike some competitors that simply attach larger screens to existing designs, Kia has integrated these displays seamlessly into the dashboard, creating a cohesive, premium appearance that feels purpose-built rather than retrofitted. Advanced driver assistance systems are receiving major upgrades that put the Telluride ahead of most luxury competitors. The 2026 model includes Highway Driving Pilot, Kia's conditional Level 3 autonomous driving system that can handle most driving tasks under certain conditions. Additional tech features include an enhanced surround view camera system, digital key 2 that works with more smartphone types, and a comprehensive head-up display that minimizes the need to look away from the road. Connectivity improvements include faster USB-C ports throughout the cabin, improved wireless device integration, and over-the-air update capability that allows the vehicle to gain new features over time. For tech-savvy buyers, the difference between current competitors and the upcoming Telluride will be immediately apparent and difficult to ignore. Number 4. More passenger space than before. Space efficiency has always been the Telluride's strength, but the 2026 model is taking it to the next level. Kia has stretched the wheelbase, creating additional interior room throughout the cabin that directly addresses one of the few areas where competitors thought they had an advantage. This is especially noticeable in the third row, which gains over an inch of legroom, transforming it from occasional seating to genuinely comfortable space for adult passengers. The improvements extend beyond just the third row, though. The second row receives redesigned seats that offer better support and more adjustment range, making them more comfortable for long journeys. Both 7 and 8 passenger configurations will be available, with the 7-seat layout featuring premium captain's chairs that can be equipped with heating and ventilation on higher trims. Cargo capacity also improves thanks to more efficient packaging and slightly larger external dimensions. The more vertical rear design helps maximize loading space, while clever underfloor storage compartments provide secure spots for smaller items. Number 3. Hybrid is coming. Perhaps the most significant competitive threat comes from what's under the hood. For the first time ever, Kia is offering a hybrid powertrain in the Telluride, addressing one of the few consistent criticisms of the current model, its fuel economy. The hybrid system pairs a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a combined output of approximately 329 horsepower. That's significantly more power than the current V6, while delivering dramatically improved fuel economy of around 30 miles per gallon combined, a massive improvement over the current model's 21 to 23 miles per gallon ratings. What makes this hybrid system particularly appealing is how it's engineered specifically for the Telluride's character. The electric motor delivers instant torque, improving low-speed drivability both on-road and off, while the battery placement doesn't compromise interior space or ground clearance. For those who prefer traditional powertrains, the refined V6 engine continues to offer smooth, linear power delivery that current Telluride owners appreciate, now paired with an improved transmission for better efficiency. But having both options means buyers can choose the powertrain that best suits their needs, something most competitors can't offer. Number 2. A capable off-road version. Unlike many competitors that offer off-road packages that are mostly cosmetic, Kia is developing a genuine off-road variant that will challenge dedicated adventure SUVs. The upcoming X-Pro model isn't just going to feature different badges and slightly different styling, it's getting substantial mechanical upgrades that deliver real capability. The X-Pro version includes off-road tuned suspension, upgraded all-terrain tires, enhanced underbody protection, and additional traction control modes specifically calibrated for challenging terrain. Heavy-duty components throughout ensure this isn't just a marketing exercise, but a genuinely capable off-road machine. The system can precisely distribute torque where it's needed most, whether navigating rocky trails or dealing with slippery conditions. What makes this particularly threatening to competitors is how the X-Pro maintains all the comfort and luxury features of standard Telluride models, while adding genuine off-road capability. Many adventure-focused SUVs require buyers to sacrifice comfort for capability, but the Telluride X-Pro delivers both. Enhanced approach and departure angles, improved ground clearance, and specialized drive modes create a vehicle that can handle serious off-road situations without compromising daily usability. The X-Pro also includes unique visual elements like matte finish paint options, blacked-out trim, and model-specific wheels that clearly differentiate it from standard models. This gives adventure-minded buyers a Telluride that looks as capable as it actually is, addressing another area where competitors thought they had an advantage. Number 1. Unbeatable value. The current Telluride is already recognized as one of the best values in the 3-row SUV segment, offering features and refinement typically found in vehicles costing significantly more. The 2026 model is going to make this value proposition even more compelling by maintaining competitive pricing despite substantial upgrades across every aspect of the vehicle. Base models are starting around $38,000, just slightly higher than the current model when accounting for inflation and added features. This pricing strategy reflects Kia's commitment to value, even as the Telluride pushes further upmarket in terms of design, technology, and features. By maintaining competitive pricing while delivering near-luxury levels of refinement, the 2026 Telluride continues the model's tradition of offering exceptional value. Even more impressive is the pricing for the hybrid variant. It will start between $42,000 to $44,000 and undercut many competitors' electrified offerings while delivering better performance and efficiency. For buyers focused on long-term ownership costs, the hybrid's improved fuel economy will help offset the initial price premium through significant savings at the pump. What makes this value proposition truly threatening to competitors is the breadth of standard features. While luxury brands charge premium prices for basic equipment, the Telluride includes advanced safety systems, premium materials, and cutting-edge technology as standard equipment. Range-topping models stay under $55,000, still thousands below luxury alternatives with similar features. And guess what? This isn't the only Kia that's coming with massive improvements for the next year. Check out this video about the 2026 Kia Sportage, which you can now see on the screen. The Telluride's smaller sibling is getting an update that will turn it into the best value in the market's most competitive segment.